Today's video is about not something about advice or motivation or anything, any such topics which that comes in my mind. It's about the thing which shook me and it just took over my day and mind fully. So I'm not here to gossip or just create a drama about what happened, but it's just my opinion and it's a thing that all need to know about. So it's about the wizard Liz, the Liz. Yes, the self-love queen who have empowered a millions of young girls to just know about their life and their self-worth and everything. The first reason, one of the reason which I have started speaking in camera and started uploading videos is because of her. The moment when I started creating and the moment which I started knowing about myself, of course, she was there. She is literally in my vision board quotes. Yeah. And she's like everywhere in my self love journey. So I can't just believe what just happened to her. If you don't know who she is, you can just check her out and she talks about self-love and self-respect, how you need to know about yourself and everything. So the first thing is like she was single for a very long time and recently she got into a relationship and literally she got engaged also, and that man was very dreamy and he literally I'm just my blood is literally burning while talking about the past time about him. He was very dreamy to her, and of course for everyone he was dreaming because he just created the vision of himself that he's that potential man who could get the wizard list. You could see how he just made himself in her videos. You can check it out also. So the thing is he literally stalked her for years. He studied her videos, literally everything, all the standards she has, literally the thing which we keep in our mind, like the standards which we keep in our mind and life, we shouldn't literally say that out loud because that's what happened to Wizard Liz. She literally, now she's very upset and she's very in a bad state because she's 4 months pregnant and he cheated on her with a girl through Snapchat. What? I saw this 1 hour podcast video about him and Wizardless 2 days back, and I had a feeling that he's not a right man. Of course, I thought he's a great person, but in between there was a conversation where he told that he was very excited to see Liz's messages while he was in his past relationship. Why does he have to be so excited about her message? Of course, she's Wizard Liz, but then he was excited from another other women's text. See, she should have known, but I can't really blame her because the problem is with him, literally. It's very disgusting that I was about to throw up when I heard this thing. I spoke about this conversation and about Landon, that guy's name, Landon, to everyone I know. Everyone I know, like whoever I was talking to daily, I used to talk about them. But one day back, this happened. This is a very disgusting thing to hear, and it just ruined my day. Listen, guys, the cheating can happen to Wizard Liz. who is very intelligent, who is divinely powerful, who is totally healed. And she just helped so much of people to heal also. It can happen to a person like Wizard Liz, and what else we can say from this? Even if a person is so amazing and powerful, they can be cheated on. Can be the most healed, beautiful, divine, powerful women. Then comes the person who couldn't handle such power, will still hurt you. Like Landon couldn't handle the power of Liz. He just went to another woman to seek validation. What the, I don't know what happened at all, but so much of love and care, kindness, and everything to Liz to heal soon, come back. No matter how perfect you are, when someone who couldn't handle the power you give, or the emotional strength or honesty you give, they will definitely fail you. You can't do anything about that. And you don't have to blame yourself, because it's everything is about their worth and their darkness and everything. So coming to this person, it's very embarrassing. Actually, it's not embarrassing for her, obviously. It is totally embarrassing for him. Like, how could he do to Wizard Liz? That that shows how insecure that man is. Manipulators often go after strongest women, like, or a man if you're watching it. So the problem here was he literally baby trapped her. Since he was just stalking for years to get Wizard Liz, he just waited 36 hours to ask Liz to marry him. So how I don't know. He just tells that it's about energy and everything. He just felt he she can say that. I can't accept that he's telling that. But then the problem is insecure and manipulative people usually go after strong or confident and the most amazing women, right? So because they can't be in their own space, or they don't have the power to be in their own space, so they seek another person and get their energy and power to them, so that it just triggers their ego to just have so much power. Oh my god, I don't know. How stupid is that? And of course, we are living in a world where these are happening. And she was literally in the same room that he was there while he was cheating. People usually think that they want to consume all the power the other person or partner has, because they're not very much good on their own, right? So they have to consume the power of the other person. That's how they can live with the egoistic behavior they carry every day. If you are watching right now, who are healing, who are in love, and who's in your self love era, just think you're not really foolish, or you're not a bad person to trust someone, to believe in someone. Because if another person is very unworthy of your love and your presence, it's not your fault at all. It's them. All we can do now is just send so much of love, and I wish no person this kind of situation, because it's very worse to get engaged and being 4 months pregnant with this child and getting cheated on is very the worst thing ever. So what we can all do is just send so much of love, and I know she'll definitely come back stronger with so much of power as she is. And the other thing is, I've been dwelling on this situation and everything, and I lost so much of hopes because of this. So I'm going to stop dwelling on this topic, and I'm going to create, I'm going to, I'm going to let my brain know that not only this man is there, and there are so many men who can be loyal and loving and caring and everything. And this situation will not happen, will definitely shouldn't happen to anyone. And yes, I'm going to stop talking about this anymore.